In today's digital economy, AI has become one of the most powerful tools transforming how niche finance business attract, convert and retain customers. When we talk about AI marketing, most people imagine flashy automation, but the real advantages come from how intelligently it can understand audiences, personalize financial offers and help brands scale while staying ethical and trustworthy. For finance marketers who operate in competitive micro niches, whether it's credit repair, consulting, investment, coaching, tech strategy service, or small business funding, AI can turn limited resources into a high performance marketing machine. What makes AI automation so valuable is its ability to take over repetitive tasks that once consumed hours every week. Instead of manually analyzing spreadsheet or sorting leads, AI can score, prospect instantly, predicts who most likely to convert, even automate follow-up sequences that feel tailor-made for each person. This is not just about saving time, it's about giving niche finance brand the structure and consistency they need to look polished and professional. Even if the team behind the scenes is small, personalization is where AI truly shines. Finance is personal. People want to feel understood, especially when money, risk, and trust are involved. AI can track your behavior, identify patterns in what people watch, search, and click, and deliver content that meets them exactly where they're in their financial journey, whether it's recommending the right funding program, tailoring an investment guide, or creating dynamic email content based on a client's unique challenges. Personalization builds trust, and trust drives conversion. Whether your audience feels like you understand their problem better than your competitors, they follow you, they buy from you, and they stay with you. But with great power comes responsibility, especially in finance. Ethical marketing is optional. AI can help avoid biased decision making, reduce predatory targeting, and support compliance frameworks, but only when used intentionally. As marketers, it's crucial to maintain transparency about how data is used, avoid over personalization that feels intrusive, and ensure the automated messaging never crosses the something particularly important in the financial space. The goal is to empower, not pressure, educate, not exfoliate. For niche finance brands on platforms like YouTube, AI becomes a strategic advantage. It can help script higher retention videos, identify trending topics, optimize keywords, and even create audience profiles that guide your content direction. When automation, personalization, and ethics work together, you build long term authority instead of short term hype. Your audience feel informed, respected, and supported, and that energy is what makes a marketing sustainable. AI is not replacing great finance marketers, it's amplifying them. When used wisely, AI becomes the backbone of marketing system that's smarter, faster, and more human than ever.